Additional case-finding tools on Lexis. One nice thing about legal research is that everything you find can lead you to other relevant authority. This video will show you two of the ways Lexis can help you find additional relevant cases, Lexis Headnotes and the Lexis Issue Trail. To illustrate these features, we'll start with the case Safari Club International versus Salazar, 709 F3rd 1, 2013. Lexis provides parallel citations to a number of print and online versions of this case, so you can direct anyone to this case even if they don't have access to Lexis. Lexis Headnotes appear after some introductory information, but before the actual text of the case itself. They contain the language of the case that the editors at Lexis have selected for the points of law they discuss. Readers can scan the headnotes and then jump to the actual discussion in the case by clicking on the little arrow next to the headnote number. Headnotes can also be used to find additional cases selected by the editors to illustrate that same point of law. Clicking on a headnote index term gets you the choice of going directly to additional documents, discussing that point of law, creating an alert, and viewing that term in the topic index. I prefer to view the term in the index just in case there's a related index term that is even closer to the subject I'm researching. The topical index shows this term in context and may also alert the researcher to additional relevant topics. You can also get into the topical index by clicking on the Browse button at the top of the screen. To get where I am now, using the Browse feature, choose the topic Environmental Law, then Natural Resources and Environmental Lands, then Endangered Species Act, then Federal Agencies. But no matter how you got here, you can view other cases that have headnotes classified under this topic by clicking on the Get Documents link. This retrieves the cases that contain one or more headnotes on this topic. You can now narrow this result set using any of the narrow filters on the left, including a search within the results set. Going back to the case we started with, what if the most relevant portion of this case does not have a headnote associated with it? Lexis will still take you to additional relevant cases. At the bottom of the About This Document box is the legal issue trail. To use the trail, you must first select Activate Passages. Then, click within the box that contains the language you want to find additional cases discussing. The legal issue trail constructs a search using the actual language of the case. It takes you to a list of citations. If this passage had cited other cases, those would appear first under the heading Safari Club International versus Salazar cited the following cases for this issue. And then the next heading would be the one that we have here that says the following cases cited Safari Club International versus Salazar for this issue. This should lead you to additional cases that may be relevant to your research. And that is how you can use Lexis Headnotes and the Lexis Legal Issue Trail to expand your case law research.